The Owyhee River is a great 5-day rafting trip filled with fun rapids, great side hikes, and hot springs. As you float through the Owyhee Canyon, you float in and out of some big wall canyons. There are some really fun rapids, some big waves that you dodge and navigate through. It's a great river for people to inflatable kayak. One of my favorite activities on the Owyhee is stopping at hot springs, soaking for a little bit, and then hiking up to the top of the plateau and walking across, looking down and giving you really awesome views of the river itself before camping or staying there for the night. We provide all the camping gear you need, from sleeping bags and sleeping pads and tents. The guides also prepare fresh, healthy meals and take care of all the dishes while you can enjoy being in the outdoors. This corner of Oregon is like nothing else. It's big canyon walls, red. You almost feel like you're in the Grand Canyon. It's pretty unique, lots of sagebrush, and the wildflowers are really spectacular. The campsites are all really great. There's a ton of awesome side hikes to get big sweeping views of the desert. A rafting trip down the Owyhee River is an excellent opportunity to experience a pocket of Oregon that not many others see. We're proud to offer trips here and share this unique place with people looking for a great adventure.